Sunday morning coffee jam. Frank Castle all day, baby. I am hungry. Alright, contacts are in. I can see again. I can see Eddie Marks fixing his bike, and he's saying, "Are you gonna ride bikes or what?" "Yes, Eddie, we're gonna ride bikes." Alright guys, so Sunday morning coffee jam, riding towards the start spot. Yep. Like the jersey. It's what Punisher Frank Castle Day all day jersey. Have you ever noticed that when you wear certain jerseys, you know, especially your fierce ones, it's like, oh shit, you know, gotta beast up, gotta drop the hammer. Yeah, this is one of those jerseys. If you're wearing the Punisher jersey, you better be doing some punishing. Oh yeah, this is gonna hurt. Is anyone else riding to 21 Pilots? I mean, it's just a fucking epic album or songs to ride to, you know? It is. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Don't be stressed out. Ride your bike. Okay, so nobody's here yet. The coffee jam spot. So I am gonna ride over to the gas station and get a drink instead of waiting in the empty parking lot. So let's do this. In the gas station, All right. What's up? Check it out. Mind the gap. Check out that gap. Mind the gap.
So you get the top again.
I forgot my flat kit, so I will get a flat tire.
No, that worked. I'll say that because then Bernard's gonna get flat.
It's already.
Oh, jeez.
It's just.
I don't need another one.
So I already given Bernard's got a little flat.
Yeah.
It is ignorant.
I was telling Ron after I checked my tires last night. When I checked them last night, my freaking rear tire was flat.
Oh.
Oh shit.
At least you were home.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And I was like, good thing I checked it last night. So I'm just gonna roll out this morning.
That's the ghost flat. Casper flatting your tire in your sleep.
It's an extremely slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 more coming.
said it. She said it. Dick Evans winner. Ingrid said it. just did some solo breakaway work to push the FTP on purpose. Of course, couldn't hold it for the whole sprint segment, Coral Sea Road, but that was the point, to increase time in the threshold zone. So now on the rollback back out of Coral Sea, just gonna wait for Chris. He's right behind me, right there. So gonna roll back to the group with Chris, take turns doing pulls into this headwind. There he is right there. All right.
Hey, do you guys have a black Black Friday special?
Keep it for a couple days. Whatever. I'll take my frugal off and put it on my other wheel.
It has nothing to do with you being tomorrow, by the way.
We're still on the air.
I'm checking out these sexy bikes, man.
Yeah, check the sexy legs.
Yeah, well, that's next.
There's a lot of sexy legs.
That is next.
I'll see you sometime when I get a chance to drop off.
She's looking great. Daniel, do they have a Black Friday special? Do they have?